it will have the knobs inside in here, but I've got it taken out. So you have to take these out and screw them in. And then there's 3 of these, there's different ones. Like that's the plug you see, and then there's another one. And then there's like another one here. Comes in the pack. And this protects the gimbal, which is at the front of the drone. You have to take off before actually flying off. It's folded up. And you need to, for this, you get your plug, plug it in the side. But first you got to charge it with one of the plugs, which is a square I've already charged. And then you got to go like this and turn it, put these up. And then press this twice until it beeps. Get your phone. And get your app, DJI Fly. And it will look like this when you get into it, but you have to be into it like that. You gotta plug it in. Put it into the slot. Connect aircraft. First, you'll need to put the battery in. You may have a 3 slot, which I do. You slot that in. Close the battery and have an SD there. You can also charge if you have only one battery. Fold it out. Also take a gimbal, hold safety protector thing off, and that's your drone. Now you got to go to here and it will connect by press this once and go twice. And it will make like a little wing thing. And it will make a noise. And you like set it on top of something like flat. Camera view, if it doesn't connect still. So you got this, you can put your max or altitude or distance. Well, you can do it to 15, that's what I started with, but now I haven't changed it. So that is your screen. You got this, and then you just press that, you go photos, and then you press on this, quick shot, which you have to, well, you press on here, and it comes up with a take off. And the drone is 1 meter. And so then you go to here. No, that's your footage. Then you go to here and you go quick shot. Alright, no. We'll do that in a different video. So let's get into the drone. So that goes up, you can see. Down goes down. This turns it. And it does hover there. See, look, it hovers up there. It has a GPS, so it knows where you are. And if you lose it, then it beeps. Alright, let's face this way. Oh, sorry. That is to go forward. That's to go back. That's to go side. There's definitely none. Alright, so then you go this way or this way. Just go. So you go left. And then if you turn the thing around, which not beginners to do, it goes the opposite. So like forward and that. And then I'll show you a good shot is to go you've got to face the way that the camera actually is. See, the camera's this way and I'm facing that. And make sure that you're not near trees or anything. see it. Right there. Alright, so you can see up here. But you're quite far, and you can see the height was 17 because we got height, and it's also a trick which you can learn. Stop. And I'll show you that next. Which is the easy way when you just started. You would press this button and it would go land, and it would just land for you. Yeah. So you press the button and land. Actually, it will go down like this and it will do it. If you just go down, then it will actually do it. If you just go down. Yeah. You just press down and you don't have to press the thing. But alright, the next one when you get is when it's more advanced and like more high tech, when you get better at it. No, don't do it. No, I want to practice. And so you just go in like that into the side. Alright, now next high tech, more advanced takeoff is down up. And then you have to lift it up. And then you can move around stuff. And so that will be the end of today's video.